About 2 years ago, I was still in my final term of high school, and the project I gave myself was an in-depth study into Native Americans, because I've always loved them in terms of like the way that they were part of nature. It sounded amazing to me, and it sounded like a fairy tale. But anyways, I did all the research that I could on it. I read so many books on it, and I ended up wanting to study all aspects of the culture and actually try implementing like the way they built shelters and the way they made fire without matches and that kind of thing. And I started with fire and ended up spending the whole month trying to make fire without matches. But the point of that is that I had like a very deep passion for like these indigenous people who were around before you know, technology and all that. Not that technology is evil, I'm not one of those people, but it's just, there's still something very beautiful to me about that ancient lifestyle. If I reflect on that time now, 2 years later, it's pretty amazing to think about the kind of things that I've learned just by being here and living, and just, it's a very real experience. And before, when I was reading these books, and it was all very fantastical, and it seemed like this dream that I could never achieve while I was living in a prep school dormitory, you know, in St. Louis, Missouri. It all seemed so far out of my reach, and in just 2 short years, I'm here.